Little
ornaments.
Oh yeah, so here we go. That's from Trevor.
That'd be pretty cool.
Yeah, he's great. He's, I mean, you saw this.
Oh.
That interest you?
Maybe. You do like a little lap and come back.
Oh yeah.
They call it the
These just little cards. Yeah, they are.
Oh.
No.
Thank
I was
you.
just talking to the skull guy. Yeah. my skull. I collect skulls. Shocking. I know, but so that's my skull collection over there. My connection over there. So check out
Over
my,
there?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
But no, I'm the writer. I didn't draw this because you deserve better than stick figures. But on the back there's a QR code. I have audiobooks, and these are a collection of my short stories.
Okay.
Oh, cool.
Maybe that's your popular.
So yes, ghosts, kittens in the afterlife, serial killers, and zombies in the adult film industry. The artist who did this piece of work, he also had. I edit his comic books.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. No, that sometimes life just lines up for you. And on the code, there's the audio for it. I read them.
Cool. My friend, my brother girl that I had the shop with, she makes book covers. Yeah. I'll put her there.
Check it out. Enjoy
Oh, table back there.
So remember, give or take, that might be off.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I didn't even notice that.
Hello.
There's just so much going on.
Still a good place.
Look at my little guy.
Oh. That's probably the most popular one.
Just purchased it over there.
Oh, yeah. Friend of mine. Can I get the back of it reminded me of the old scary stories to tell in the dark.
That's why I got it.
Yeah.
Because I really love those.
Got a little Jason jigsaw.
These are 3D printed, right? Yes.
She's a proud old real guy. Like, he was like a Viking. And I know the archaeologist who scanned it, and his whole bit is not only he doesn't want you to just look at it behind glass, he wants to be able to roll it and touch it. So he's convinced his museum to just let him get the most accurate scans of things he can and allow you to print it. So
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
slowly amassing all of the characters.
Is there a Jack over here?
Yeah, right. See, Sally over there.
My friend got me this a while ago, and I was like, "This is way identical."
She got that from me.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. It comes off of this line of figures. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So I had a feeling.
Wow, I remember when we made her in blue.
Yeah.
See, I know I might have another one of those little creepy girl keychains. That should get the new one I had. Oh, look what I found.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Mix and match 3 for $25. The minis are 6 each or 5 for $25.
Okay. It's very... Oh, and it's a cat.
Still a little it's like that old what you'd see on a Goosebump, we're just around the outline. So when
I love that so much.
So it's a collection of short stories which are all kind of based on urban legends and myths. So because then I had a conversation, I'm explaining to my son why these stories come about. I'm it's because if I tell you don't go into the woods, screw you, old man, I'm gonna go play in the woods. If I say, hey, there's a witch who's in the woods, she eats children, yeah, I'm gonna stay the fuck out of the woods.
Exactly. Yeah.
And so she has those stories, and then their origins and where they come from. So it's fun to read with him, and then
that's actually really cool, finding out the origin of them.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
No, it's up there,
I like the Alex. And the rabbit.
Like I'm gonna
I like that one more.
gotta re-up on the spiders. Like, yeah, just do a batch of
The
planes.
dragon. Yeah, Christmas.
We do have a plain one. It just
Just did like checking stuff out, watching the video. That's how
You want another,
Maybe.
Oh, okay.
I haven't watched one in 18 years. I mean, I used to when it was I did that. When I used to on the road.
Oh, no one else wants mine? Do you want that one? I will switch. No, they're the same. Yeah, they are, but you know.
Yeah, how much will that all?
A lot of
20 for every? Yeah. Yeah, so we have.
Oh, you were north. I'll bet. Baby stars.
or the moonlight.
Whichever.
They smell venom. What about this one?
That one looks pretty sick.
Which one's better?
You want one?
You should.
That was pretty nice.
I will do it for you. Like, pick this book. This is a book.
The boys. One, right?
I've seen the original, yeah. It's very, it's a lot of silence, but it's very, like, suspenseful. I like the,
It's your boy.
there's my boy.
Wall decor at some point in the future? Maybe? Too much? Fine. How you doing? You've seen Krampus, right? No?
I do vaguely remember you talking
Weird. And I stopped and I was like, what am I talking about?
You take one of those if you want.
Alright, thank you.
If you guys are interested in, obviously here, but paranormal streaming, if you're not familiar with Paraflix, it's are you familiar? Just shaking your head.
Oh, no.
Oh.
Just, like, nodding into this.
Gotcha. It's basically a streaming service that's dedicated to paranormal and esoteric shows. So it's got obviously, one thing related stuff, but it also has like aliens, angels, things like that. So it's not just, and it's bit more. It's less dramatized and more realistic and gritty, if that makes sense. If you're interested, you can go to the website. They can do a 3D trial, see what's out there. And if you're interested, if you use the code QOT30 for Queen of Darkness 30, you'll actually get 30% off of an annual subscription.
All right.
Yeah, I think he's at
I love good stuff. So that's like
yeah, and to get all the way up there.
That's cute.
So it's like insane.
Yeah. That could be a teaspoon. A decorative teaspoon. Oh yeah, definitely. She's awesome. Could be.
Hey guys.
Hey.
Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday.
That's cute. Absinthe spoon. Oh,
Yep. You ever do the ritual?
with the sugar cube thing? I did it like once a while
Well,
back.
that is the a type of absinthe.
Sass.